you all by myself, somehow.
Mike, I think I feel a sneeze coming.
Mate, when Sparkie sneezes...
He blows fire! We've got to hold your nose!
Okay, that's better.
Phew!
Now you take over, Sparkie. Oh no! Now I'm stuck!
Oh no! Oh, where's Evie?
Why? Magic pepper won't help.
But the pepper's not magic. It's just to make me sneeze.
Make you sneeze, Trolley?
Yes. Whenever I get stuck, sneezing makes me wriggle my way out.
Wait, maybe dust will make Trolley sneeze too. Flap your wings, Sparkie. Make a dust cloud.
No! Then Sparkie will sneeze.
Not if he keeps holding his nose.
Okay, Mike. Ready?
Oh!
Come on, Sparkie. You can do it. Keep flapping.
Achoo!
Achoo! Huzzah!
Gotcha!
I've got the pepper, Trolley. Mike, what's going on?
I don't think I can hold my sneeze anymore, Mike.
Mike!
Whoa! Yes, but both my dragons are stuck. If I'd just waited for you, Evie, none of this would have happened. I'm sorry.
Please hurry, Mike!
Don't worry, Squirt.
Someone has their crown on too tight. Better tell Jane to hurry. Oops.
We have to dry ourselves off with them. It's gonna make me... That kinda makes me
Good plan, Runt.
Heads up! He's gonna blow!
What was that?
The dragon's back.
Oh, the poor thing! He scarfed a terrible cold.
Which might be lucky for us. I know there's a proper formula for this somewhere. Ah, here we go. Now, aim the dragon this way.